Okay, what I've done is I've supported the lower control arm with a jack. As you can see just there, back in under there. Now what I'm about to do is try and crack this ball joint. Hopefully the upper control arm is not going to drop. Hopefully. If it does drop, it's only going to drop a little bit, if any at all. So let's see how we go. This one is really tight. I'm obviously going to damage the existing ball joint trying to get it out, but it doesn't seem to be. There we go. Okay. Just popped, which is good. So there we have it. Now what I have to do is loosen off the nuts in here and lift the lower control arm. It's not going to be that easy. Let's see how it goes.